I do remember it feeling like a monster chasing me down. And the power and the energy, you know, there's just nothing else like it. You can't find a deeper, richer blue than you can from the beautiful Pacific Ocean right here. My name's Dan Moore, and I love to ride big waves. The North Shore is unique in the sense that from Kahuku all the way out to Kaina Point, you have about 20 miles of literally hundreds and hundreds of surf spots all in a close proximity. The real country feel has been remarkably preserved over the years. When tow surfing came around, you know, it enabled you to catch much bigger waves moving at a faster speed. Back in 2003, we were tow surfing at Jaws, which they call Piahi on Maui. And I was fortunate enough to be slung into one of the bigger waves of the year, and it was measured out at 68 feet, which enabled me to win the Billabong XXL Big Wave Award. If you were able to find your way out through the pineapple fields to watch the surf at Jaws, you're in for a real treat. It's a humbling experience. Every time you ride a wave, you sort of feel like you cheated death a little bit.